Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make Jamaican coconut drops. So guys, after we had broken the coconut and removed the meat from the ox, we're going to go ahead, rinse our coconut off, and begin by cutting the coconut in small pieces. Now we're through with cutting up the coconut. Here is our coconut along with the rest of our ingredients. I have here brown organic sugar, ginger, which I'm gonna blend in a bit, water, and this is how the coconut looks before it was cut up. Guys, if you choose to grate your ginger or blend it, it doesn't matter. I am choosing to blend my ginger because it's faster and easier. After the ginger is blended, this is how it looks. So guys, the water is now boiling. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut to the boiling water. And after the coconut is added to the water, we're going to go ahead and add our ginger as well. Guys, I have no idea how this happened, but I lost the clip where I had went ahead and poured the sugar in the pot as well with the other ingredients. So basically all the ingredients are in the pot together, and what I'm doing right here is just skimming off, the residue from the ginger. So guys, at this point we're just gonna leave to boil and just wait until, the fluid has come down to basically only sugar and coconut. So guys, we can see that yes, the fluid is going down. It's approximately 15 minutes since I left, and it's going down. We can see that it's going down, and this is what we really want to gain. So I will just continue to let the sugar come down as small as can be, and it should be really sticky at that point. So guys, if you were paying close attention, you would see now that it's getting a bit sluggish, meaning the boiling has slowed down really a lot. So I'm just gonna let it stay at least for another 7 minutes. Unfortunately, the clip that should be after this one, where it's completely down, I don't know what happened to it. I lost it. Guys, if this was to be done in the Caribbean, what you'd see here basically is a banana leaf. But because I don't have banana leaf, I went ahead and I lined my baking sheet with paper, that is. And as you can see, I'm dropping the drops. So here they are. They are so beautiful. Not to mention the taste. The taste is so great. Guys, if you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Anyways, guys, please look out for me in my next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.